Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your New York sales tax online. First, navigate to the New York State Department of Taxation and Finance website. Look for the Online Services section, which is your gateway to managing business taxes. You'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. This platform simplifies the entire process, making it straightforward to meet your filing requirements. Before you begin, gather all necessary sales data, including your total gross sales and any taxable sales. You'll also need your sales tax vendor identification number. Once logged into the online portal, locate the option to file a sales tax return. The system will prompt you to select the appropriate filing period. Double-check these details to ensure accuracy before proceeding to the next steps. Now it's time to input your sales figures into the online form. The system provides clear sections for gross sales, taxable sales, and any deductions or credits. Take your time to accurately enter all numbers. After inputting your data, thoroughly review the entire return. This step is crucial to catch any potential errors. Finally, select your payment method and submit your return securely. To finalize, always double-check your entries to avoid common mistakes, such as miscalculating sales or overlooking eligible deductions. After successful submission, save or print your confirmation page and payment receipt for your records. This documentation is vital for future reference. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a smart way to keep your home spotless while you focus on your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.